Listen to the heartbeat.
I was looking for some economical aluminum wheels for the 1989 Chevrolet pickup truck. What I found were some Toyota 6-lug rims that had the same exact bolt pattern, but required different lug nuts and concentric hub spacer adapters. Let's drag the hydraulic jack back so we can lift the vehicle. This wheel was being held on by acorn lug nuts as used on the steel wheels, but they're not suitable to actually drive around with on the aluminum wheels because you need mag lug nuts that go through and have a shank. The concentric adapter rings give additional assurance that the wheel will always be centered, even though the lug nuts do center it. If they come loose, then the wheel can't wobble off center. As you can see, the Toyota wheels mate perfectly to the lug pattern of the Chevrolet. Everything to make the wheels fit was available on eBay or Amazon, or both.